Hello guys, today I'm going to do a garden tour. This is my plants. Another one, beautiful plant.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you! Another solo yellow of these plants, grave. Another yellow flowers. Oh, ganda. And my jackfruit here on this side. And my lakatan and my other bananas. And my bougainvilleas. More plants. It's sunny. Another sunny day. My lemon. This one, I don't know the name. And look at this giant. This giant, I don't know what's the name of this. Very big. And here is variegated gabi-gabi. This one has suffered a lot during summertime, but it's growing again. This one is also growing back again. This one is, I don't know the name. Very fat. This is the mother one. And this is the daughter one. Oh, dami na yung mga shoots, guys. Oh, getting better after the summertime. And this one, I don't know the name. I like this one also. And here is another gabi-gabi. And this one is growing back again after the summer. And this one is my oldest one. I have this one already. I put it yesterday na amaday ko akuha. And this one, I don't know the name again. And this one, I don't know the name either. And this is my native bougainvillea. And this is my coconut seedling, ready to transfer soon. And I'm just cleaning up the dirt here after the big wind and the habagat. That's my beach chair. Doon ako nag-rest in the afternoon. This is my papaya. Matamba na po siya, guys. And that's my mango trees. Another batch of coconuts ready to be transported to Ubay. And this is my avocado. Oh, green avocado, this one. Here. So I'm back at my main garden now. So this is my bananas. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas. This is my closet, my CR, my another extra bed. Oh, that's my unlan when I pray. That's my window. This is my small sala. That's my TV. That's the side of the sea. That's my rocking chair. This is my small bed, my small table. That's our newly made double bed. This is my mini kitchen, my old fridge. That's my another CR. This is mini kitchen. And this is my porch, my door. And that's my small convertible bed. My cats are staying there. So this is my small house. Pero masaya. So quiet. So that's my place. See? Yun lang. Ganito lang ang bahay ko. Later, magdating po yung bagong ref. See you! Hello, hello! My refrigerator is finally here. Tara! We have new fridge. Oh, I don't know how many inches this one. So, may bago na po ako. Ito yung aking old. Hindi ko na-transfer kasi mag-isa lang yung delivery man. So, matangkad siya pag mayroong ganyan. So, more or less short, but it's okay. So, this is my fridge. So, So, ang energy and consumption niya po. So, I have to wait 4 hours before I have to plug it in. After 4 hours, mag-on na siya. Tapos, 2 hours po siyang naka-full volume. Tapos, 2 hours walang laman. I-on lang po. So, nice ang kulay ng aking fridge. Thank you sa nag-deliver. Isa lang po siya, kaya hindi ko nakapag ilipat dito sa isa. So later na when my hubby is around. So ito yung aking 15 years old. Thank you so much po, fridge, sa aming panahon na binigay mo sa amin. So ito yung aking hinihintay today. Spotless clean na, my dear, oh. With a nice sound trip. The door is also clean. Wow. Ready for the occupants? Okay. I need to eat champurrado now. I'm hungry. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. Oy, tara, say hello, Ate Laura. Hello. Hello, Ate Laura, Ate Lola. Lola, hello, Laura. Fluvial pa rin na, guys, ang kuan berin de La Paz. Gamay rin ng uyog. So kagawas, guys, kaya na busy ang linya. Wow. Ang gawas ako kay para ba ko hilam o sa aning kalakihan eh. Hello everyone. Just arrived from church and the sea is high tide today. Very calm. Let's have a swim. Tapos na po ako nag-shower but I'm going to swim. Look at them. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Good. Hello. Welcome to home. Happy Sunday. Oh, kamu mo sa kaniha. Kamu batanan mo sa kay sa kuan. Oh, larga. Oh. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wa tay pana kay mo panang kupiduray na ah. Oh, welcome sa balay diri sa Valencia. Ako mga agaw og mga igagaw gikas Mindanao, Manila og dito Trinidad og Talibon. Ang wala magkaare, sunod na lang po nga batch. Gamay raman taguan, kabadyo. O, sige, kaya napay padoong kami, ikas ubay. Okay, my dear. It's clean now. I don't know if you can see the soil that I rake everywhere around the house. Hello. Ing-ani kahangin diri sa amo, guys. Dili gyud ka feel og alimuot sa kalibutan. Hangin kaayo. Sige pa kog hinlo, guys. Kay wala pa na human. So diri ta, guys, magpahangin ta sa atong ilok. Sa mga gialimutan diha diri na. Asdang na kay wala gialimot during the pita. Bye! Thanks for watching my reels. Shout out sa lahat. Di ko kayo maisa-isa. Hello. I'm back home. It's run out. So I'm going to take a nap. Till later, alligator. Hello. So thank you for watching my house tour, my garden tour, and my beach tour today. Till my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye po. God bless everyone.